Folks, it took months, but President Biden is finally stepping up and taking action. Welcome back, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. Well, after months and months of inaction, the president and his administration is finally looking at options and what they can do in regards to the insanely high gas prices. And now the federal government may even be sending out its first form of stimulus in a significant period of time. That is right, stimulus for the people. A decision is coming very soon. We're going to be discussing everything you need to know in today's video. What exactly the president is looking to do. Could it mean money in your pocket? We're going to be talking about it all in today's video. Let's get started and dive right into the news. But before we do, as always, make sure you folks do a couple things for me. Number one, give this video a tremendous thumbs up. Smash the like button. I would appreciate that if you have been enjoying the content. If this video gets to 500 likes, we'll do a cash giveaway where we give away $100 to a few of you lucky subscribers. And if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed and have notifications turned on. And once we hit 20,000 subscribers, we'll do another cash giveaway. You'll have to be subscribed to be entered in that giveaway. With that being said, let's get started and get right down to it. So what exactly is going on? Well, the president just spoke about two issues on Monday, and we're going to be talking about one of them particularly in today's video, but the other is in regard to student loans. So a decision could be coming on that soon, whether or not that's another pause in the payments or additional action such as a cancellation, who knows, but we're talking about gas in today's video. So the president is weighing the possibility of implementing a federal gas tax holiday. Now, as we've covered in previous videos, many states have already implemented this for until the end of the summer or just a few months, or also it could fluctuate depending on how high the prices of gas gets in those particular states. But the president is looking to take federal action here. In Delaware, when he was asked about potentially backing a gas tax holiday, he said, quote, "I hope to have a decision based on the data I'm looking for by the end of the week." So ideally, a decision could be coming by maybe Friday. Already we have a hurdle here, and that's the fact that the president can't necessarily take this action alone, unilaterally. He has to get the support from Congress. Such a pause in the 18.3 cent per gallon federal tax would require Congress to act, and there has been little traction among lawmakers on the idea so far. But the administration is eager to find areas of relief for the American consumer as they are contending with these high gas prices as the summer now begins. Monday's nationwide average for gas was just under $5 a gallon, slightly down from the previous week. I'm curious what it's looking like in your state right now. What are the prices per gallon in your particular area? Let us know down below in the comment section. But here's where this form of stimulus could actually step in. The president is also mulling over whether or not he would support sending Americans these gas rebate cards. In response, he said, quote, "That's part of what we're considering. That's part of the whole operation." So the president is not opposed to this idea. Biden was also asked if he was close to making his decision on canceling student debt and ultimately fulfilling one of his most fervent campaign promises. In response, he simply said, quote, "Yes." There's an array of options up for discussion behind closed doors at the White House. Biden has apparently repeatedly implored his team to explore all options to combat these skyrocketing prices, everything from food to gas to other goods. Also under active consideration is easing tariffs on China, and that could hopefully bring down the cost of some goods. Now, the White House has actually previously downplayed the idea of sending back these gas rebate cards directly to Americans because the program would be difficult to administer, but according to Biden, he has indicated that the idea is still in play and that he would not rule it out. It's no secret that high prices and the prospects of a recession are looming over Biden's presidency, and the Democrats are losing hope when it comes time for the midterm elections, as they could potentially lose their majorities. Now, a halt in the federal gas tax wouldn't necessarily cut your gas bill at the pump in half, but it certainly would help. And the president and the administration are attempting to get this announcement and action done before the July 4th weekend. That's when tens of millions of Americans will hit the road and will be forced to pay these insanely high prices at the pump. But again, a gas tax holiday would require congressional support from both sides of the aisle. One White House official has already acknowledged that it would be challenging, saying, quote, "Republicans don't want gas prices to come down. The official said they want Biden to suffer. The White House official also pointed to a specific comment made by Senator Rick Scott from Florida. Rick Scott said back in November that rising gas prices and inflation are, quote, a gold mine for us. In other words, they are declaring political victory with the current state of the economy. According to Biden's energy secretary, though, if the president were to move forward with this gas tax holiday, then some federal funds could stop going to infrastructure such as roadway projects. She literally said, quote, if we remove the gas tax, that takes away the funding that was just passed by Congress to be able to do that. So that's one of the challenges, but I'm not saying that's off the table. So this money isn't just going to grow on trees and appear out of nowhere. It's going to have to come from other areas that we're going to have to take funds away from and then earmark those funds specifically for this gas tax holiday, or should it come in the form of a gas tax rebate card? I'm curious, what are your thoughts? What would you be in favor of? What do you think the president should do? What actions should he take himself? And what do you think Congress should do? Let us know down below in the comment section. I'm curious to hear. Let us know your thoughts. More updates are to come. Hopefully we'll have that decision by the end of this week, and we'll have a much better, clearer outlook on what will take place in this country in regards to gas. And hopefully those prices could start coming down in the coming weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got value out of it. If you did, be sure to share the video with a friend. Get the word out. Spread it on social media. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Smash the like button. Make sure you are subscribed and have notifications turned on. If you want to get some free stocks on me, use the links down below in the description of this video. Sign up with the brokerage platforms, Robinhood and or Webull. You'll get some free stocks, some valued up to thousands of dollars. So let us know what stocks you get. And if you want to connect with me on social media, I am on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. I look forward to meeting you there. Links are down below. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care for now.